Here's a quick video on how to leverage email personalization for sales. Once you've gone ahead and generated an account intelligence report for a particular organization, that account intelligence now flows into your email personalization. And here's a quick demo of how that happens. Now, the emails can be written in any of your email platforms like Gmail, Outlook, or your CRMs like HubSpot, Salesforce, etc., or sales enablement platforms like SalesLoft, Outreach, Groove, etc. In this example, we will use the email personalizer available on the browser extension. So go ahead and click on the Humantic AI personalizer here and key in a template email of yours and then hit Personalize Now. The email personalizer gets relevant information like top challenges from the account intelligence report, understands the context of your email, and marries them to produce the result. In this case, it's gone ahead and it's opened with a congratulatory note on CME Group partnership, which is coming from the account intelligence report. And it's referenced Missouri launch acquisition spend to highlight cost pressure relevance to make sure that you care writing a pain-led email. And the email is produced as you see. So go ahead, write your first email. Happy selling!